Today I show you how I photography candles, but I'll show you what I have the brief from my clients, how I prepare for the shoot, what I do each steps to explain you how really looks the job in the back, and I will be photography with you one candle step by step. Let's go. We are in my studio and we photography the candles, Rose Fox candles. If you're looking for good candles and you live in UK, I recommend this company. And I work with these clients few years and we do few projects every year. That is amazing to have regular clients. Now I show you how looks the brief, what the client sent me, because always I have like information which candle is, what is included in the candle, and what my clients want props for photography. That is the most easy for me to work with the clients. I understand how to work, but of course I do my research always, more photo to see. Like you see on the screen what I show you, I have all information, I have details for the candles, have the example, the photo. That is for me more easy to understand how I should to work with the clients. Another things, I prepared today 3 candles. One is nocturne and including orange, blood orange, chocolate, sandalwood, and my clients want something like that with dark background. Another thing, something warm color, the lights in the back, and something caramel, maybe something like that. That we will be styling these candles. Here we have this blood orange, dark chocolate. Like you see the candles, some desert caramel here, and from this lamp I will be do some color, nice color in the back. Another candles what we have is here, the name Spellbound, and my clients want here the coconut, I prepare already, another some crystal, and the flowers something. That is the idea. Another candles I have here is ripe for ruin. Like you see here, is like rhubarb, plum, blackberry, peach, but my clients want some red wine in the glass, peach, plum and raspberry, rhubarb I prepare already. Here I have that black plate because he want black plate and more things. And another is here, but I don't know, I will be work and have time today. Like you see, my living room is little messy and we will be work with natural lights like always. Like you see, I prepare background, one and back, and we can start to work. We start from nocturne, the candles, caramel, maybe we don't use this, we'll see. Another things, we have blood orange, the wood desk. I prefer to put this like maybe dots, maybe straight dots, something like that. And in the back we put the match for nice. And I want to put the light, what will be go in the back. I don't know, you will see this. One moment. It's orange, something like that, but maybe not that strong. We check the power. Oh, this is too much. Less, definitely I need less. Dobra, this is the less, and I want like lights coming and go here around something. We'll see how work this. But now we set up our candles, and I think how I will be do this. These matches, the orange chocolate here, and no block the lights. And another things, remember always, oh my god, amazing, to clean these candles, really clean all the time. Believe me, save your time for photography. The work set is the mostly time take first setup. Before I set up everything I have, this take mostly the time. First photo will be with the close the lid, but I don't must close so strong later, little, and around the stuff. Top, dobra. Another things, I will be put the blood orange maybe here, one and second, and this chocolate here. something like that. I don't like looks this everything. Maybe we put the blood orange here. That I remove this and put that direction, maybe the candle, or maybe that's direction completely. Here the blood orange. Maybe we put this, then change. This is more dark. One moment. That. And I will be put here orange. That's maybe, but position here. That something like that. I think I do something like that here. The orange maybe on top here. That, and the front we put here the chocolate pieces, and 1, 2, maybe that's more, the chocolate pieces. Little dark for me, but can be, believe me, can be, but little more closer. This here. The chocolate can be pieces. Here the matches, or in the bag, something like that. I think looks amazing. I will be left that, but the matches I maybe put here this direction. Not, I always try to put the matches, maybe that's something here. I think looks amazing. Now we try with the lights. Will be, maybe looks amazing, we'll see. Yeah, and I think I must to block here the lights little. Hey guys, I think the lights will be amazing, but this side I will be must to block the lights. That if I want to block the lights and have better effect, I must use this to have that more dramatic, more dark mood, because my clients like that more dramatic on the photo. Another things, we set up now the camera. What I have here, lens, Canon 24 to 70, 2.8. We will be use 2.8, maybe 3.5. That's the aperture. I have like now is 200. 15 is the shutter speed. But we'll see how looks everything. I take this, I don't like, and we can do the shoot, first shoot for this candle. I have little dark, but I must put my lamp there who stay, and I can work easy around this. I must find something, one moment. I have my assistant today. She keep me lights because it was hard to put me the lights there. I take one shoot with this composition, one moment, and we'll see how it looks. I show you. Okay, you can put it down. Thank you. That looks the effect what we have. I will work more on this, of course. How you see is not easy. I must do more manage with the lights and do few more photo. But one thing's what I want to say, this is amazing project what give me freedom. I can do a lot of different photo, work with different product and photography the candles. That is all my process always. I have information for clients, I prepare looking for the props, day before shoot or 2 days before shoot, I start to check everything I have. Morning I wake up today, start prepare the stuff what I need for photography. Now I can shoot. I should finish today all candles, maybe 1 or 2 not. I'm not sure, we'll see. And that looks my process. Let me know what you think, how I work, is good or not. You do something different, you have different experience or better experience. Let me know in the comment.